Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida, and today's going to be an interesting one. We've got a 16-mile-an-hour wind, an outgoing tide, and we are seeing an awful lot of that patented Haulover U-turn. But let's see how the rest of our captains fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle at the inlet. And here in the first round, we're gonna feature a Boston whaler, seeing if they can get out. And our crew looks pretty good right here. They actually have the boat just barely up on plane, trying to let it do the work, but as they start to get out, things get a little more intimidating. They back off on the throttle, try and time it, but our crew definitely looks like they're hesitating on this one. But I don't really blame them. They look like they're taking one heck of a pounding as they try and work their way out. They really have slowed down here. Cap makes that turn. Oh no! They're going to make the U-turn and take a loss for the boats here in the first round. But there's another vessel coming in right behind them, so we're just going to let round two pick up right where they left off. And man, they get smacked in the face. This boat takes a beating right up front. Haulover's not playing, says, "Sit down, good sir." And the guy in the back almost falls into the ground. Somehow is able to kind of catch himself and get into his seat. But Haulover taught him, don't let your guard down when you're trying to come through the inlet. Our crew looks like they're going to try and continue their way out the mouth of the inlet, but they're definitely taking the slow roll approach now. Cap is for sure being cautious, but damage has been done. This crew will also take a loss here in the second round. Things do not look good for the boats. 2 rounds in, the boats are down 2-0. They need to make a comeback here, and here we go in the third round, and we've got another Boston whaler, but this time it's a legend, the old red top legend working his way out of the inlet. And this is a rare occurrence. My man went down the middle, gets some air, and he powers on through it. Typically, we see him hug that north side of the inlet. Today, he decided he was just going to land that throttle, blast his way out, and of course, he's going to take a win for the boats here in the third round. And then here in the fourth round, we've got a Midnight Express stepping in the ring to try and do battle with the inlet. Let's see if they can keep the momentum going and get the boats back in the game. Our crew looks pretty good, got the boat up on plane. We do have a few bow riders in the front, so Cap will have to be a little cautious about that. Starts to make his turn toward the mouth of Haulover, taking it very cautious, keeping the bow high, trying to do what he can to make sure he doesn't stuff it into this following sea. Our crew's gonna climb up on top of the first big wave, they're gonna come down successfully, and our guy doesn't look like he's gonna have any issues, and they'll easily make it into Haulover. And that's going to bring us to a 2-2 tie as we move into the fifth and final round of our contest. Who will take the win? Will it be the boats or Haulover? Let's go. Let's see who can pull it out. And our boat coming through, everybody gets a little wet early, and my man is straight plowing into these waves, but something fell down. Something came off the hardtop on the back, and man, it is just bouncing around. I'm not even sure what that is, but right here you're going to see that wave smacks him, knocks it free, and now they've got something just dangling back, but we got people in the back. Oh man, they gotta be careful, Cap. This could easily hit somebody in the head. I don't even think the ladies know it's there. And finally somebody comes back, and our guy, he's gonna get stuck holding this, and Cap's gonna have to turn it around. And man, Cap's gonna take a loss. And that means Haulover's gonna win this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.